Assalamu alaikum. We're now in the bookstall at Jalsa, and as you would have heard Hazur announcing so many new titles, and this is one of the rare occasions when so many books have been introduced by Hazrat Masih. This is the English section, and as you can see from these books that we have, our beloved master, which is for the Holy Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, for the younger children, blessings of KHILAFAT, and the economic system of Islam and freedom of conscience, by a lecture delivered by our President Hazur in a Friday sermon. We have Sitara Kesariya, Star of the Empress, which was launched at the book fair earlier this year. Then also by Maulana Jalilul Shams Sahib, the commentary of Al-Qasida in English. Hazur's World Crisis book, which translated into Arabic, into Chinese, into French. We have a different languages section as well. We have other new books, which is a glimpse into the life of Hazrat Mirza Maulana Shams Sahib.
Qasim Rashid, I'd just like to ask you to briefly explain what your book is about.
Sure. So the Wrong Kind of Muslim chronicles the first-hand accounts of Ahmadis, Shias, Christians, Hindus in Pakistan and the types of persecution that they face. And rather than making this some academic book, or rather than it being a tablighi book, I've made it a very personable narrative. It's non-fiction, but it's told in a single storyline format. So it reads like a novel, but it's a non-fiction portrayal of what's going on in Pakistan, what the history is, and what we can do to help our fellow brothers and sisters escape this really horrible nightmare that's going on in Pakistan.
Recently, a book of yours has been published, namely Few Memories of Sir Chaudhry Muhammad Zafrullah Khan Sahib. Can you tell us what this book is about?
In this book, I have given various aspects of Chaudhry Sahib's life which were hidden from the general public, because his political career is quite clear, but how he ate, what he did, these things nobody knew. So in this book, I have described his personal life.
The main attraction is always the Holy Quran. We have it in many different languages. So we hope that people will come and visit us and quench their thirst for knowledge and visit the bookstall, inshallah. Jazakallah. May Allah bless you all.